Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, is the Mad Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself, light-up Baskin Robbins spoon rubber band gun. For this, guys, you're going to need a vintage Baskin Robbins spoon. I actually received this from my grandma. A piece of red electrical tape, a clothespin, 3 popsicle sticks, a rubber band, and one of these gold lights. They're similar to tea lights, and they have on and off switches in the back. You guys can see my popsicle sticks and my clothespin were painted silver. You can see how I glued the popsicle sticks together. You also can see how I glued the clothespin on. The reason I put red tape behind the vintage Baskin Robbins spoon is because I don't want to damage it when I glue it, in case I ever want to use it again. I had to glue on the light on the end. And that's basically it, guys. That's the do-it-yourself, light up, Baskin Robbins spoon, rubber band gun. Really cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.